Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to be looking at a little part of our shop build. This is an Eaton Polar air compressor made up in Dayton, Ohio. Stay tuned while we tell you a little bit more about this piece of fine machinery. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So you saw what it looked like on the back of the truck, and Shop Monkey drove up to Dayton today and picked it up from the factory and brought it back down and unwrapped it, and here it is sitting on the hanger. And we are going to be deciding where we're going to put it in the back corner, but you know, it's fully labeled with everything you could ever want to know. This is a ultra quiet. This is a little bit of overkill for our shop, but as the shop continues to grow, we're going to need more air. And again, we can also connect this one to the main hanger air line that runs throughout the whole hanger, so that I have access to 240 gallons of air, not just to 80 on my tank. Now again, this is a Polar air conditioner by Eaton Air Compressors. They're not sponsoring me in any way, shape, or form for this, but it does cool the air down quite a bit and gives you a large volume of air at 175 psi, which you can use for a wide variety of things. All the regulators are all and the switches are all built into it. And then there's a good data plate right there so you can hook it up. This is a single phase. They do make a 3-phase. They also make 10 horsepower, 15 horsepower, 30 horsepower, 30-gallon tanks, 80-gallon tanks. So 5 horsepower, 1 phase, 30 amp breaker, 19 SCFM per minute, 80-gallon tank, and it weighs 620 pounds. So ladies and gentlemen, it's supposed to be whisper quiet. It's going to be so much better than that noisy Harbor Freight thing that we've been using for years. But anyway, we're upgrading the shop, and there it is sitting in the back corner, not been plumbed into the lines yet, but that's where she's going to go. So we hope you found all this useful and informative about the new Eaton air compressor and Yankee Aviation. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.